Hey!
What is it again here? No. What is this? What is wrong with you?
You just come out my mouth like that.
What is wrong with you? You'll be sneezing on my food things. What is wrong with you? What are you doing?
Is that this one just come out my mouth?
Yeah, I saw you doing. I don't know what you want to do next. Hey guys, hi families. Welcome you all back to our channel.
Guys, yes, guys, you're back again with another
mukbang video.
Guess what, guys? I say, guess what, guys? In today's video, we are going to be eating a delicious, yummy-licious with the sweetie Ayamase stew with white rice. You can see assorted meat. We got shaki, egg, beef, fish, all the assorted meat in this rice. How you are doing? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. In case you are new to our channel, my name is Desmond.
It's your one and only baby girl, Happy in the building.
You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's say grace. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, Father, we thank you for providing this food for us, Father, provide for those that don't have. Provide for us, provide and viewers, any area in the life, Father, make them by the plot of their needs. And as we eat, so they know shall body and soul, in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
So guys, look at what my wife just gave me today.
What?
This food is too much. The meat is too much, the rice is too much. Look at your own.
This food is too much.
It's too much now.
Me, I don't even understand you.
Because I want to diet.
You want to diet. If I give you little food, you will complain.
No,
now I give you enough now today.
I want little food. I don't want to be fat.
Before you come to this time, why did you tell me to go and reduce it?
I don't want to be fat. You don't understand.
Guys, come closer. Me, I can't talk.
Can you just give me food of 3 people?
Come closer, come on. Demolish this rice sauce. Fast eating.
If I say I will not eat now, you will be angry. Even say 2 of us can eat this food together, and we'll be okay.
Please stop complaining. I don't want to get choked.
It's true. Why is it that truth is always bitter?
You are not making any truth here.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Sorry, yo.
Well, is that to sneeze? Take it easy now.
Sorry now.
Is that to sneeze?
It's just a mistake, sorry. It might be called the weather. It will be raining since morning.
I know.
So I'm like cold inside.
You might.
I'm cold inside. It's coming again. It's coming again.
And what's this now? It's coming again. Is that to speak? You take tissue and do it.
You be mumu. Sorry.
You think say they wise?
I will forget that we are. Yeah.
It's not to sneeze now. Please so.
Sorry. It's not my fault. It's nature. I'm supposed to know it's nature now.
Guys, this is Melusa fish.
Jesus is Lord.
What's this?
I can't control it. I'm trying to control. I can't. I don't know why. It's always bending my head to that direction.
Why?
Keep quiet.
I don't know. It's nature. Sorry.
I don't think I like this. Please. Why you want to spoil my food with this sneeze? What's this? Nature. What? Please stop this picture of a thing.
It's call of nature.
I don't like it. Is that your sneeze?
But it's not my fault.
Get some tissue.
It's call of nature. Call of nature. It's not my fault.
Ha. Why did you told me today you are not feeling fine?
Look at the way you're just shouting up and down.
Sneezing.
Am I not your husband?
Oh, husband.
We share the same thing. Eh?
You are sneezing inside the food. I will be eating your sneeze, your kata.
You don't kiss me. Hmm?
Kata with kiss, and same thing.
Something like that.
It's not the same thing.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Ah. You want to make me lose appetite. What's this?
Sorry. It's not on purpose now. It's just nature. It's just nature. Can't you understand? It's just nature. Just try to understand.
Take tissue.
When it's coming, I can't even get tissue.
Jesus
Oh,
is
that
Lord.
shocked me. Oh.
Honey, stop this.
Oh.
What kind of call are you doing here now? Stop this. I don't like it.
Oh. See the way the cold is doing inside my body. Sorry, it's not my fault.
Guys, I don't think I like what Desmond is doing. I don't like it. Sneezing inside my food, I don't like it. One bit. I don't like it. I will leave this food for you
I don't
now.
like it too bad. It's
I
not
don't
my
like it. Please stop it.
It's not my fault. I'm trying to control myself. Maybe it's this one that is giving me this allergy. I don't know, because that is too much for me.
The rice is giving you Alexia. Because you have not been eating white rice before. This is your first time of eating white rice.
No, this Ayamase stew is what I don't eat regularly.
What happened to Ayamase stew? Guys, what happened to Ayamase stew? Ayamase stew is using green pepper, green bell pepper, or
The stew
green.
is good, but I don't know.
What? Is that one that makes you to sneeze? I don't want this to tire me. Listen.
Guys, delicious.
Don't do this again here. What is this? What is wrong with you?
You just cover my mouth like that.
What is wrong with you? You'll be sneezing on my food since. What is wrong with you? What are you
Is
doing?
that this one just cover my mouth?
Yeah, I saw you doing. I don't know what you want to do next.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know what you want to do next.
hi, man. That is bad. Oh, you let me.
How do you
It's
say
nature.
that? It's not nature. I don't know what's wrong with you.
If it's coming again, I can't hold it.
You have not been sneezing since before I set the table. Have you been sneezing since? Don't want me to enjoy this food. I don't even understand you again this month. You don't want me to enjoy this food, I will leave this food for you. Okay? I will leave the food for you. What's this?
Sorry.
You want me to be eating your kata? Eh?
Jesus!
You will not allow me to sneeze. So you are not focusing on me.
I focus on you because you have made me lost my appetite. What's it? Do you know what sneezing? Sneeze on my food. You that is sneezing it, you will not see it as a disgusting thing. Because you are the one doing it. To me, it's very disgusting.
But I'm your husband.
Husband kidney, husband corn.
Your husband is not supposed to be irritating you. Anything your husband
This is
does.
not what they call irritating. Okay? This is not what they call irritating. Don't say irritate.
Okay, it's a prank. Relax. It's a prank. I just fake it. I call it to my daughter. Just fake it. It's a prank.
Can you do that? I have it.
Yes, sir. It's a fake. It's a fake sneeze, guys. I just pranked this woman.
What's wrong with you for real? What's that? How will you be sneezing on my food?
Look at me, we're trapping my mouth.
Yeah, I will trap it. Why are you sneezing on my food? I don't like it.
Are you a goalkeeper?
I will do more than that
You're
if I
just
have the chance.
calculating me. If I'm just coming, you just
Because
trap
if
me.
I heard you say, maybe you want to do it again. What's that?
You are
I don't
really a
really
goalkeeper.
like it.
You are trying.
Please stop it.
You were just focusing on me. You did it again. So guys, no hard feelings. It was a prank. No, I need to shake this woman. I need to pull her legs.
Will you keep quiet?
That was exactly what I was trying to do. I want to pull her legs. I want to see her reaction. But the way she was just trapping my mouth, that one shocked me. I never experienced it.
For real, you don't even make me lost appetite. The way you were doing it, I don't like it.
You are already full. It's not me.
How can I feel like that? I've not eaten since. Prank or not prank, don't you know, as you are doing it, you bring out little
Yes, now.
things from your nose,
Particles,
from your nose. Don't you know?
You can eat it, no problem. So guys, like I said before, no hard feelings. This is how we roll. Are you good?
Somehow.
Somehow. So guys, thank you so very much for staying with us up to this time. We are definitely going to be signing out right now. Please, if today's your first time, like your first time of seeing these faces, and you want to see these faces again, please do us a big favor by hitting on that red subscribe button, like and share our video, and leave a positive comment down below. To those guys watching on our Facebook page, Please don't forget to give us a follow and always share. And as you share, God is going to bless you. We must not fail to appreciate our OGs, our newly subscribers, our tele subscribers. We say God bless you guys for the amazing support you guys are giving to us. And please like,
subscribe,
share,
and leave a comment down below.
So see you all in our next video.
We say we love you
from the deepest bottom of our heart. We say bye bye.
I dodge them.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.